What's up, T&S family? We are back with another vlog. It's your girl Sarah. Tuxx unfortunately is not going to be in this challenge, but we do have someone special that will be doing this challenge with me. So the challenge that we are doing, as you haven't seen by the title, Insta controls my day. So I've been planning to do this for a while and I finally worked up the courage to do it today. It's really noisy. We've got the kids. Say like, comment, and subscribe. Say subscribe. Tell them a secret. Tell them what to do. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, T&S. So my first post that I posted on Insta was this one over here. They are still voting right now, so I think we're just gonna go with the natural for sure. So we're going natural to the gym. The second one was picking my outfit 1 or outfit 2. So I'm gonna wait and see what they choose and then we'll go from there. Okay fam, so outfit number 1, and this was the most voted outfit. I've just got my Nike shoes, these camo but purple looking leggings, my Gorilla Family tee, and my husband's Nike puffy jacket. Okay, so I was going to do a voting for how should I do my hair, but I'm just taking way too long. The votes are just fluctuating like this, and yeah fam, I'm just gonna do my hair quickly and then we will be on our way. And so I just decided to just put a hat on, put my hair in a ponytail behind. So I'm off now. Bye family. I'm going in the Jeep. Insta voted the Jeep. Oh my god. Dad! I'm going in your car. And yeah, okay. He just did the hand up. Okay. Oh, I have taken the Jeep. I just have to take out the kids' pram. Oh my goodness, it's so hot. And now we're off. Let's go. Okay fam, so I just got here to my special guest's house. Okay fam, are you ready to see who my special guest is? Wait, okay.
Hi guys. It's been a while, I'm a bit new to this.
Okay fam, so I have Jacinta Tower file here. We are headed to the gym and she is going to do the 24-hour Insta controls my life challenge. So we're on our way, let's go.
Hi guys, yes, I am Jacinta Taufo and I'll be joining in on the 24-hour challenge with the T&S family today. So yeah, once again, if you don't know who I am, to the new viewers, I am Jacinta Taufo. I am Sarah's first cousin, but we call each other sisters. So yeah, I'm really excited to be doing this challenge today. I hope you guys don't do us dirty because you dragged me to do this challenge. So yeah, so we'll see you soon. Bye.
Okay fam, so we just got here to the gym. I've got my sister girl on the Stairmaster. You voted Stairmaster for 30 minutes. I mean, couldn't you give us like light work? 5 minutes on treadmill even? I'm gonna take my jacket off soon. She's just getting a hair tie. We always do Stairmaster anyways every time we come, so. Sis, why aren't you working today?
Huh?
Why aren't you working today?
I always have Thursdays off because of uni, but we're on break, so I'm here with you.
Yeah, so she has Thursdays off work. She's usually not available, but she's available lately.
Be in the booking day.
Oh wow, check your schedule. Okay, we're gonna do this for 30 minutes and we will see you soon.
Through 30. Guys, you killed us with this one. I don't know what you did, but did your hand slip? Did it go? Did it want to pick 5 minutes but you accidentally, you know those ones? But guys, you killed us with this one.
I actually felt like I was gonna vomit.
And just like that, family smashed out 30 minutes each.
We loyal to the word. We loyal to the word. We loyal to the word. We are doing whatever you want us to do. So we just done our 30-minute cardio. It was really good. We usually do 35. We usually do 30 to 25 minutes anyways. So that was like easy work for us.
We were just hoping for a break, you know.
Yeah, we were hoping you will vote for 5 minutes, you know. Give us a chance. Okay, so we posted whether you wanted us to do leg workout or do you want us to do abs. And the votes are in. Oh, freaking hell. What is it?
Oh, mate.
Okay fam, so yous have voted and the results are in and we are doing legs. It won by 52% to abs 48%. Now, am I happy? Are you happy about legs, sis? No, but it's okay. We're gonna try and do some leg workouts. We don't have our trainers here, so
Day off for
yeah, it's a day off for the trainers, so we've got to train ourselves. Don't judge our form. Don't judge us how we're doing stuff. If it's wrong, who cares? We're doing what Insta voted. So we hope that you enjoy us working out. Okay fam, so we just pulled up to Epping and we've got your votes and the votes are in.
You're actually so close.
It was really close and the winner is Lori Dee's. What is the percentage, sis?
So it was new 49% and Lori Dee's 51%. Oh
Thank you for voting for something we wanted to eat.
But what a waste of gym.
I know, but it's okay. We can work it off tomorrow. Let's go, fam. Okay, fam, so this is their menu and oh my goodness, this is my first time trying it. I'm so excited. Okay fam, so we've got our lunch here. We're gonna dig in, but we did ask Instagram to ask us some questions. So we do have some questions and we're gonna do like a mini mukbang.
Yeah.
Yeah fam. Just
do that.
We're gonna do that. Sis, which one is yours? This one is yours?
One is Lori. Yeah, that's yours. Wait, no.
A few moments later.
2. Oh yeah, I'm 2.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so I got burger number 2.
And I got burger number 1. Oh my gosh, I'm acting like we didn't just work out.
It's okay, fam.
I look like a mess as well. Sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, I haven't had Glory D's in so long.
And look at that.
You like this? This is the first time at Glory D's actually.
This is my first time. Okay, we're gonna answer some questions. Okay. Would you rather be deaf with no arms or blind with no legs?
Blind with no legs. I don't know where I'm walking anyways. Yeah.
Be deaf with no arms or blind with no legs?
Oh, we're blind
Nah.
with no legs.
Yeah, I want arms, no legs, blind with no legs. And I want to hear.
Like, what? You only use your legs for walking,
Yeah.
right? What
Okay.
else is people using their legs for?
I pick blind with legs.
With no legs.
You pick
Blind with no legs, yeah.
blind with no legs. Okay, so the next question is, well, Adi, you do not make any sense, but girl, what?
Wait.
I can't even read.
What is it like? Oh, what it like at a typical? Oh, like so she's asking, what is it like at our typical family gatherings? And the answer is loud. We are not shy at all.
Loud and just full of laughter. When we all get together, all we do is legit mock each other, mock our family, mock the auntie and the brothers and sisters.
Listen, if there's a tip, if you're coming in, if you're coming into our family, like if you're coming to one of our family events, please be prepared to get roasted. If you cannot handle our family roast battles,
You're not made for us.
you're not made for us.
You're not.
If you leave crying, if you leave crying,
Justice is served.
there's punishment. There's punishment.
Alright.
Sis, your camera's gonna die.
How many tattoos do you have? How many do you have?
I got 0.
Bo has none. I only have 1 on my neck and 6 stars on my shoulder, which represent my siblings.
How old were you when you first got your tattoo?
We went to Bali. I think I was like 22.
Oh. Yeah, no. Tattoos are not for me.
Okay, next question. If you had a movie about your life, what actor would you want to play you?
Good question.
Good question. Who do you want to play you?
Shay Mitchell. If you know her.
Girl!
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know. You know.
I love that girl.
love her.
I swear, I would. Yeah, I would get her to play me.
I think I'll get.
Yeah, who would you get, sis? To play alive.
I would call up Kylie. Kylie Jenner.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I am her, but
No joke.
seriously, I love her.
I actually feel like you guys can relate with each other.
Seriously, sis, talk me
No
up.
joke.
Tell me I'm Kylie.
You're Kylie.
Call me Kylie.
She's Kylie now.
I don't want to be TNS. I want to be TNK. Travis and Kylie.
Oh my god. Okay, what's another question? This burger is so hard to eat. Don't mind my facial.
Okay, guys, I'm eating like a mess, but who cares? Weird food combinations.
I really like, do you know, like, so buttering bread and then having hot chips in it with tomato sauce? Do you know that trick? Do you know?
Say that again.
Like a bread sandwich with hot chips and sauce.
Oh, sis.
But do you know what's, there's a hack, because like you do that when there's like, so there's like a couple of chips left.
Oh, sis, don't tell them our family secret.
So there's a couple of chips left, yeah? You grab the, like a good bunch and use the bread, because it fills you up more, you know?
Yeah.
So that's a little hack for you guys.
Also, we've got this family game that whenever we have fishing trips, because you know back then we used to be so broke, no one was working, and we'd all gather around the table. We have $5 chips because that's all we can afford is $5. And then you know we'll be eating. Everyone's looking at each other like, when's the game gonna
And there's
start?
like probably like 10 chips left, and everyone's still
And
hungry.
then once someone says, it takes one person to say, and it's usually Jeff. He will say, let the games begin. Everyone.
There's only 10 chips left, and we're all like,
everyone's going
there
like
could
this.
be 10 of us, but that doesn't matter. It's
doesn't
not
matter.
one chip each. It's
Let the game
everyone for
begin.
themselves. Oh man.
Those were the days.
They still are the days. We're still like that. So are you liking the food?
Just, I love it.
Okay, as long as you like it.
I literally love this. This is so good.
How do you like the burger?
Okay, sorry fam, we had to switch to Bowl's phone. Oh, sorry, Bowl is Jacinta, just in case. Me and my sisters, we actually don't like calling Bowl Jacinta. So weird for our mouth. We call her Bowl, so. Well, my sisters have been calling her full name lately.
Bofitu.
Bofitu.
Because that's the only way I can listen. That's another question.
HP or 1-4?
So fun fact, I went to Hampton Park for the first time yesterday.
We went yesterday. And you know what?
I don't know. I'm gonna
Shout out to HP_on it. His girlfriend watches us.
Aww, that's nice.
So shout out to you, girl. The question was HP or 1-4. It's a tie for me. I really like both, but because I'm from Melbourne, I think I'm gonna go with HP and support the boys from here. But don't get me wrong, 1-4, I love you. So if you want to follow HP, please follow their Instagram that we're gonna leave right here. Go and check out their song if you do not know what we're talking about.
If you guys don't know what we're talking about,
What's wrong with my mouth?
oh, that is so funny. But I don't know. Yeah, I would have to say I pick 1-4 for me.
You're gonna pick 1-4?
Yeah, I don't know. No, wait,
You don't want to support the boys from here.
Who sings the one that goes, talk about lies?
Oh, see, HP.
Then HPs. I like them.
I want to be like Michael Schofield, not Jordan, not Jackson.
Hannah Montana with the accent. I'm so full. I think I need to start eating slow. Because when I eat fast, I don't get full.
What, sis?
Yeah, you know how I eat. I'm fast.
Yeah, but your appetite is only because you train. Okay, fam. So we put up what drink we should get because we're feeling like, you know, to be honest,
sweet.
something sweet. So we posted this post right here: Starbucks or water. Listen, T&S, you are not shy. You be voting stupidly, like,
oh my gosh, I was
healthy
surprised.
buzz.
Yeah.
We're shocked, but Starbucks won, so we're gonna order our drinks. Sis, what are you getting?
I don't know.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Can I please get a coffee frappuccino?
What size?
Large.
Did you want cream on top of that one?
Yes, please.
Anything else for today?
Yep.
I just want a chocolate frappe.
Large as well.
Did you want cream on that one as well?
You want cream?
I do.
She wants cream.
I do.
Yes, please.
Oh, the sun. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry I look like trash right now.
Okay, you don't, sis. You look good.
See.
Okay, fam. So, you know what? I actually want to say this. Like, yous have been voting for us to go healthy.
I know.
I was telling her, I was like, nah, surely they're going to make us eat really bad.
I thought you guys were going to be brutal.
And we just wanted to clarify that Laura Dee's, when we looked at it, Laura Dee's won. And then when we went back and looked at it after we ordered, it said new.
Yeah. So we only look at it once, like whatever time we look at it.
Yeah, that is what we get.
What
so
we saw.
yeah. But you be voting for water. Don't you ever do that to us. Okay?
Oh my gosh, imagine if we had water.
Coffee.
Is that you? And your chocolate.
And the chocolate. Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Good service. Good service.
Amazing. Ow.
Wow. Okay, so sis, we have to rate the food. What do you rate it?
Oh, you know I love all these, so I give it a
Out of 10. Be honest.
7.5.
That's high. Wow, this is good. This reminds me of Bali. I give Lori DEE'S, the food that we just ate. I give it like seriously a 8. It was so good.
So good.
So good.
I loved it.
It was worth it. And this drink, what do you rate it?
9 out of 10. I love.
And this is a 10. For sure. No, but we got to tell you this story because it's so funny. So yesterday we thought we'll drive out to Southside, Cranbourne, to watch my brother-in-law's sister's game, netball game. So Julie's partner, which his name is Bote, his little sister, which her name is Alicia, they won their grand finals. It was their netball game, and we were speeding, like speeding.
Oh
I was driving.
So scared.
You were scared, to be honest?
I was scared.
Oh my God.
You
I'm
were
so
like
sorry.
too much.
Yeah, but sis, why didn't you say anything?
Because I was praying. That's how like.
Why didn't you pray out loud? But anyways, as we were driving there, because I reckon I drank about 2.5 liters
Of water.
Of water. Like, we didn't need. So we came back from the gym. I dropped her home, and then I went home, showered, and then we met up again an hour later because we decided we'll quickly go to this netball game and watch it because we felt like watching netball. So we're driving there. Oh my goodness. And I was busting.
Oh my God.
You know where this story is going.
Like, she was busting. And the game started at 4:30, okay? So, like, you know, once that buzzer goes, it goes.
And it's only 4 quarters of 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So we were on the freeway and we already missed 2 quarters. And these guys were all like, don't go, don't drive.
Hold it.
And I was like, I can't.
She couldn't.
So guys, we
gosh.
turned to the side.
Oh my God.
And I said, Bull, you need to come with me. I need to go do some business
Oh my gosh.
in the bushes. And you know what? We get to the bush. And the world's still watching.
We were like, yes, we found some place where it's like, oh, bushes.
And we look across the road and there's
The whole
people
car
sitting in their car. There's people riding past on their bikes.
God,
The freeway can see. Oh my goodness. Do you know
Oh.
what? I said to Paul, I can't do it. No, I can't. And then she said to me, hurry up and do it.
I said, we already
we
got off the
missed
exit.
2 quarters.
I was like, do it now or forever hold it. And like, I was so annoyed. I was like, this girl was like, I'm not going to do it. I was
And I was like,
like, so long story short, the sis.
I ended up peeing on the side. And everyone, I don't know
We're
who's
like,
fault.
okay, we don't know these people.
I don't know whose eyes I blessed, but you know what?
Oh my God.
It was me. It was me. I peed on the side. And you know what? I have no shame because I told Paul, look, Paul.
This girl makes me look at her. So I'm looking the other way. I was like, oh my gosh. And this girl's like, oh my God.
I was like, look, Paul, look. I can't. I can't.
Oh my God.
That would have to be my favorite memory.
Yeah, and that was
so
just
far
yesterday.
of us.
Oh my God.
Okay, fam, so I just got here. Saying bye to the husband. Bye, honey. Tuxx is going to the gym. Let me just doorbell. I just got here to my auntie's house because we're going to Bill's graduation.
What's up, guys? Not bad.
So we just posted a outfit pic, so Insta pics for Jacinta's outfit, and outfit number 21, which was out of this right here. Montage, model. Outfit number 21.
Just got a little, so we did change the top because we realized that it was a bit revealing and we're going to church. So yes, thanks for choosing my outfit, everyone.
Okay fam, so we just got here to Lifehouse Church. Hi. Good. There's just a little problem. What's the problem? There's no plate. So stack as much. The trick is stack as much as you can. You can use these folds for other stuff.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Okay, then they talk a lot about this food here, so I'm gonna give it a go. Let's try it. Yum.
It was chewy. Chewy, guys. That was a chewy. So yes,
Tawa bao. Go, sister. Yes.
Look at that. I completed the alpha course. I went for 8 weeks. Guys, there's power in invitation, so I really encourage you, if you have some questions that you feel like you need an answer to, or that is that is pondering on your heart right now, I suggest you try alpha, because the slogan is, got a question? Try alpha.
Okay fam, so we're home now. We hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you to the Sister Ball for joining this challenge. If you want to see more of this collab, please comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and what's this?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
We love you, family. Bye.